Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome back to another Premiere Pro tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you everything you need to know about keyframes, what they are, how they work and how you can use them to make things move, rotate or even animate effects like blur. Let's get started. First, what are keyframes? Keyframes are basically points in time that tell Premiere Pro where something starts and ends. You can keyframe almost everything: position, scale, rotation, opacity, effects, and Premiere will automatically animate between those 2 points. Let's look at an example. I've got this basketball clip on my timeline and I want to move it from the left to the right across the screen and also spin while it's moving. Select your basketball clip. Under motion, you'll see position and rotation. To start the animation, click the stopwatch icons next to both of these properties. This adds your first keyframes. Now, move your playhead forwards a few seconds in the timeline, where you want your animation to end. Change the position by dragging the ball to the other side of the screen and add some rotation, maybe around 360 degrees so it does a full spin. Now when you play it back, the basketball smoothly moves across the screen and spins while it travels. You just created your first animation with keyframes. If you want to smooth out the animation, you can right-click the keyframes and under the temporal interpolation, you have ease in and ease out. Now, let's look at how to keyframe an effect. This time we'll use Gaussian blur. Go to the effects panel and search for Gaussian blur. Drag it and drop it onto the clip in our timeline, and again you have the stopwatch icon next to the blurriness setting. Click the stopwatch and go to the end of the animation. Let's set the blurriness to 100. Now when you play it back, you'll see the clip gradually blur in over time. This is how you can animate effects, and it works for any effect that has a stopwatch icon next to it. That's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.